So summer, isn't that awesome? Like, I'm not sure about you guys, in Vancouver we've been getting like rained on, and it's always hard to talk about Vancouver with you guys because you're like, yeah, you know. But it's been cold, man. It's been raining every day. Got some sun here today. That was cool. Yeah. Last night I almost got electrocuted though, walking home. All right. Well, I'm going to do a little Bob Dylan song right here. Keeps on a rolling, no matter which way this wind blows. said he was really shook, really shook. This old river keeps on rolling, no matter which way there's a wind blows. Yeah, as long as it does not just sit and say, yeah, watch the river flow. Yeah, but as long as it does, I'm just gonna sit here in Mississauga, Ontario, Canada, at the start of the summer, with all of you fine people, in what should be a great summer. Yeah, I watch the river flow.